Welcome back, collectors, to another episode of Carey Collects. In today's video, we got 3 retail blaster boxes of 2022-2023 Series 2 hockey. In this break, we're going to get 8 cards per pack, 7 packs per box. Here's a look at the odds if you guys would like to stop and take a look at those. Let's just dive right into this. Ooh, these packs are nice. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, we got 7 packs. Let's just dive right in. We got Ovi on the front. I'd like a Shane Wright, Slavkovsky, Kuzmenko, Teuvo Teravainen. We got a Dazzlers, our first green Dazzlers of Jacob Perreault. All right, we got Thomas Tatar, Blake Wheeler, and Tage Thompson. Sam Carrick, Rasmus Asplund, Josh Morrissey. And we got a UD canvas of Jordan Eberle. What's he got there? A salmon in his hand. Oh, pretty cool. He looks happy there in Seattle. Lundstrom, Carey Price, Dylan Dubé, and Gavrikov. We've got Ryan Pulock, Logan Couture, Philip Zadina, Erik Karlsson. Look at the helmet on that guy. And our first young gun of Elmer Soderblom. That's a good young gun to get there. That's a big defenseman. He'll probably do well in Detroit with Seider and Lucas and all those guys. Patrick Kane, Slavin, Tyson Barrie, Shattenkirk. Something real good in this next pack. Got Carrier. Ooh, something pink. What is that? See, I told you. Brandon Montour, Mikko Rantanen. I'm going to slow reveal it. Sorry about that. We'll just get right to it, though. I think that's a highlighter. Logan Couture. Highlighters. Logan Couture. Wow, that's a nice pull. Oh, what were those? 1 in 5,000 packs or 4,800? Maybe I'll pop it up for you guys on the video. Clear cut, that's wicked. Jacob Chychrun, Barbanoff, Trenin, Krebs, Radish, Cousins, Leddy, and Tkachuk. Not too bad of a blaster. We'll see how we do with this one here. It's another young gun. Dyson Mayo and Philip Roos for the Blackhawks. I don't know too much about him. Philip Roos. So we got 2 young guns out of that. That's what we're asking for. We've got a highlighters, that's bonus. All right, here's the packs. We got 3 here and 4 here. That's 7 for our second blaster. See if we can beat that first blaster. It's a pretty nice blaster. Malkin, Vladar, Nyquist. And we got our green Dazzlers again right off the rip. Nikita Okhotiuk. Wow. Okhotiuk. Sorry, I just butchered that guy's last name, but we got Charlie McAvoy, Jake McCabe, Michael Granlund. Hey, and we got a Michael Carcone for the Coyotes. Don't know too much about him either, to be honest. Heinen, Quick, Garland, Draisaitl, and Natty Mac. Chris Letang, Trevor Lewis, Aaron Ekblad, Brian Rust, and we got a Johnson for Calder. Ooh, Kent Johnson. That kind of looks gold. I'd have to see what the odds are for that. It seems like a nice pull. Got Nugent Hopkins, Barron, Capo, Mercer. This looks like a base pack as well. Got Jamie Benn, Noah Hanfin, Anders Lee. Oh, no way. We pull Slavkovsky in a retail blaster. Let's go. Beautiful pull there. Wow. Just got to put him in a one touch. Got the Calder of Kent. Got Slavkovsky. Still got 2 more packs. What's this here? Welcome to Colorado. Okay, Stanley Cup. Ryan O'Reilly, Zegras, and Mark Giordano. Got Nick Dowd, Scott Prunovich, Vladimir Tarasenko, and we got a superstar honor roll of Thomas Bordeleau. Got Eli Tolvanen, Seth Jarvis, Draisaitl, and Nick Ritchie. Okay, here's the packs. We got 7 packs total. This is our 3rd blaster, 3rd and final one. I do enjoy blasters. They hit. Looks like another pink card maybe. Thomas Foligno, James Reimer. It's a green Dazzlers every single time. Give us a rookie. Peter, that is a rookie. We will take that. That's a nice pull. Marchessault, Hornquist, and Bunting. Okay, we got Sam Bennett, Eric Cernak, Bowen Byram, and we got a Young Guns of Hunter Drew for the Ducks. Haven't even really heard of that name. Don't even know if he's playing. Kuznetsov, Shabbat, Pajot, and Gauchespierre. Got Pierre-Luc Dubois, Watson, Thomas, Zergitson, Cam Atkinson, Anderson, Kopitar, and DeBrusk. Got Caleb Jones, Keandre Miller, Fabry, Perry. And we got a UD canvas of Nick Ritchie. It's a big boy. Matt Duchene, Eklund, and Moser. Ricard Raquel, Orlov, Boquist, Larson, Entwistle, Reinhardt, Byron, and Grant. Okay, well, another base pack. I think these last 2 packs are going to be hot packs. Thank you guys for tuning in to Carey Collects again. It's been a pleasure. Please hit that like and subscribe button. It goes a long way. Let me know in the comments if you'd like me to open up anything else. I enjoy all your guys' feedback from you. Yeah, we got a young gun here. Let's do a little slow. Shane Wright would have been cool. Philip Hollander for the Penguins. We got Kane, Aho, Stahl, and Besser. Got Noah Dobson, Tyler Seguin, Teuvo Teravainen. It looks like World Junior Grads of Lucas Raymond. I think that's a 2nd-year card for him. Tyler Bertuzzi, Bonino, and Tatar. Well, thank you guys for tuning in. That sums up 3 blaster boxes. Well, thank you guys for tuning in to Carey Collects. It's been a pleasure. Thank you guys so much. Bye.